in the workshop in the North Pole one time and we heard thunder, and Papa Elf checked the radar. We found out it was you snoring.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, you can ask my wife. She's here. I snore pretty loud. So.
Yes.
But
yes, I heard your co-host.
The Cowboys are playing
had
tonight.
spent a night with you in Tennessee or something.
Yeah, we went to Nashville.
He
for
said
2
he had to
days.
throw beef jerky at you. In the
I
middle
woke
of the
up
night.
and there was beef jerky on the floor in front of my bed.
Yes.
Yes.
He was trying to get you to be quiet.
And it seems like we got competition here. Is number 80.